Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back returning viewers. So if you guys would like to see how I installed this pre-bleached, pre-plucked, yes, no work needed on this wig at all. If you'd like to see how I installed this wig and got this scalp effect, even though it was already going to give that, keep on watching. So first thing first, I'm starting off with some braids here and my hair slicked back with some edge control, applying my cap here, stretching that on out. You want it to be stretched out, girl. And I'm taking my scissors here and cutting around my ears. This is something that you have to do when doing your bald cap, okay? It's something you just cannot miss. So yeah, I'm cutting that around comfortably, and then I'm taking my Ebin Wonderlace adhesive spray in the extra mega hold yellow can. And I'm just using this spray all around the perimeter of my hairline of where I want my wig to lay, and I'm smoothing that out with my fingers as well. Once that is all smoothed out, I'm going to take my blow dryer and be blow drying this on cool, okay, on like a medium setting of cool, nothing too dramatic. Then once that is dry, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to be cutting off all of the excess cap. For the pieces of the cap that didn't lay too correctly or it just didn't dry fast enough, I'm going to be taking my Better the Melt lace glue in the white bottle, and I'm going to be taking a little bit, okay, literally this slightest bit around those pieces, and then smooth it out just with my fingers. For the back of the cap, I like to cut it just like this and tie it so that my hairs will not interfere with the wig, or it won't be uncomfortable, you feel me, not itching or feeling any type of weird. And I just cut off that excess piece of cap. And as you guys can see, now I'm taking my makeup brush and my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I didn't show you guys, but you guys will see it later because I used the same version of it later on. But anyways, my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color RD15, and I'm just smoothing that all around the cap. And if you've seen my last tutorial, you've seen I forgot to, you feel me, clean my skin off. But you want to make sure you clean your skin off with a Cifral alcohol. Okay, 90% is what I like to use. And this is the wig, you guys. As you can see, it is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, already put into a middle part. I did not do any customization to this wig besides putting makeup all over the lace with my RD15 cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. This is the wig on. You guys know I have to go in with my hot comb before I actually put the lace down. It just helps it look more sleek and more realistic. So cutting off the ear tabs was a little bit of a hassle, not even a little bit, a whole lot of a bit of a hassle, because the wig that they sent me had ear tabs that are called V-shaped ear tabs that are supposed to help in some kind of way, but it did not. So I'm glad that they have actually discontinued this. They do not have this on their new current wig. So if you guys purchase this wig, you will not have to worry about it. But yeah, the ear tabs make the wig look bulky, and we do not like a bulky wig. But y'all know me, the finesse queen, I finessed it, so it didn't look too bad. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know, if you purchase this wig, you will not have to deal with that. Back to the video though, and what I'm doing, I just took my Better the Melt lace glue in the color white, as you can see, my popsicle stick, and I'm smoothing out these layers. I only showed you guys the 2 layers that I did, which was the first and the last, but I did do 4 layers of this glue. With each layer that I did, I made sure that they were thin, and I also did not use my blow dryer on each layer. I did not. Some I just let it dry on its own because it does dry really fast until it was tacky, and I moved on to the next layer. But on the last one, I did use my blow dryer on this setting cool. Okay, it was like a cool medium, and once it was tacky, I went ahead and applied it, which we're not there yet, but right, now I'm going to take my wig, pull it down exactly where that glue is. I mean, exactly where it is. And yeah, just really pulling it here. We really want to pull it and get it right exactly on that glue. Reapply that glue. Smoothing that out with my fingers, kind of pressing that in there. Moving on to the next side and doing the same exact thing. You want to really press that in too. And make sure that is on the glue. Then with my blow dryer on a cool setting, I'm taking this comb here and just smoothing out that glue further and melting that lace even further. Just making sure it is really dry, okay? And I took my TRESemmé holding spray around some of the lace because y'all, this glue still scares me. But I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna do it on the sides because yeah, we're just gonna do it on the sides. I only did it on the sides. So I actually was able to test to see how this glue worked without any extra sprays and stuff because I only did it on the sides. At the front of the wig, where the front of the lace is, I used no spray and it lasted. You feel me? The glue worked well. So next install that you guys see me do, I will not be using anything extra. I'll just be using the glue because it does work fine. I just needed to learn how to use it correctly, okay? But yeah, so now I'm taking my elastic band and we're gonna set that for about 10 to 12 minutes. And while that is sitting, I'm taking this comb here, making a part. As you can see, look at those knots, y'all, bleached as fuck. But yeah, I'm going to be taking my hot comb and smoothing that out here, like I was saying, with my wax stick. And I do not actually recommend doing this all throughout the hair, like on every part that I did, because it left the hair looking kind of greasy and oily, and that was not cute at all. Like I finessed it though. Like I just ended up wearing the hair like with it tucked back, but I would much have rather be able to just wear it to the front, and I was not able to do that because it was very greasy. But yeah, that's the wax stick, lustrous renutrients. I had to show you guys. But yeah, I still want to show you guys the process of what I did, even though I do not recommend doing exactly what I did because yeah, it looked greasy and oily. So I recommend just using your hot comb and a little bit of like oil, not actually a wax stick. The wax stick is very oily. Just use some serum, you guys, like the Icy Pantasia serum that I use. Just use that or something similar to it and just hot comb it, or no product, and just really like be slow with your hot comb so that the heat can process through it well. But yeah, the wig did get really flat though. This is what she's looking like. I repeated the same steps to the other side, and I took off the elastic band, and it is looking very much melted. So I'm going to be taking my scissors, cutting down straight through the middle, and then taking my eyebrow razor here and then cutting off that lace, okay? Just cutting off the lace, being very precise with what I'm doing, being very precise, because I do not want to cut myself, and I do not want to cut off any like of the hairline that I actually want. You feel me? Just cutting off the lace that we do not need. But y'all can't even see the lace, bro. You can't even see where it's disappearing at. Like, wow. And for any of the pieces of lace that didn't quite lay down, I'm taking that same glue in a popsicle stick and going up under and just smoothing that back down with the popsicle stick and with my fingers as well. It was a couple of pieces, but I feel like that's just what's going to have to happen with this glue and the way that I install. I do not mind going back in and reapplying some spots down. And now for the baby hairs, I'm taking my comb and I'm just taking some pieces out here. You feel me? Going for more of a natural look. But can y'all see the hairline though? It did look kind of bulky, but you feel me? That was just happened to be my wig and the wig that they sent me. But like I said, they discontinued that shit that they had on a wig, so that's a good thing. Your wig is probably gonna look way better than mine. So yeah, but as you can see, I did the same thing on the other side. Those are the pieces that I'm going to be using. And I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just pushing all the other hairs back, as well as hot combing my baby hairs. Well, the pieces that I have out for my baby hairs, because yeah, we want them to be very sleek, so that when we lay them down, they just look so pretty. Now I'm gonna let that melt while I flat iron this hair, kind of shape it up a little bit, do a little shaping, go to the salon. If y'all get the reference, then you get the reference. The girls that get it. But anyway, yes, I'm just flat ironing the hair while this lace melts some more, as well as these baby hairs, to get them a little bit flat. But yeah, this is some really good hair, y'all. Besides me getting it all oily, it was very sleek, like, and y'all see the lace, like, where is it at? Where's Waldo? Like, stop playing with me. But not even stop playing with me, because this is not my work. This is the wig. This is the wig company. They did all this for me and for us, girl. But yeah, as you can see now, it is melted even some more. So I'm just taking my razor and shaving off those baby hairs. Then I'm taking my pencil flat iron to curl these baby hairs to give them a fluffy, natural look. This is a pencil 1/2 inch by Kiss, okay? I found this at my hair store, but maybe you can find it online or on Amazon, something of the sort. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I didn't just go over it once. I went over it like maybe 2 or 3 times. So now I'm taking my Got To Be Glued gel in black and my edge brush here, and I'm just applying a little bit of that to the edges. And I am shaping them. Now time for the shaping. Yes, I'm shaping them up, and I actually thought they were a little bit too thin, so I put out some more hairs here and I cut them, and then I did curl them as well, the same way I did the first set of baby hairs. And I'm just going to add that to the baby hairs that I've already laid down. Yeah, lately, you guys, I've been going for more of a natural look, okay? More of a fluffy, natural type of baby hair look, because, you know, I just be looking at my work and I'll be like, yeah, that was cute, but I feel like I appreciate the fluffy, more natural baby hairs. Now, still dramatic, though. We still love a big dramatic swoop and, you know, for them to be fluffy and curly and all that, but just less hairs, okay? And I actually like it. Now, I don't know if it's just the wigs that I've been wearing recently as to why I want to do this, or just because that's what I'm feeling, but it may vary between wig to wig. I don't know. Well, this was quick, but now I'm going to be defining my part, y'all. I love this. This is my favorite part of the install. Well, one of my favorite parts, because it just makes it look so natural. Like when you turn to the side, when you give it the side view, it just looks so realistic. But that was the RD11 Cream Foundation by Ruby Kiss, and I'm taking this little itty bitty brush here that I got from the hair store, and then boom, voila, we are done. I know that was very fast, you guys. It was very simple and straight to the point install. So yes, you guys, make sure to check the description box for all the information on this hair, and also use my code Monty for $30 off for a limited time, you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.